Good morning, students. Welcome back. We have completed yesterday lesson of means yesterday our topic. What is that? About Dankuru, a village in Deccan Plateau. Deccan Plateau. Okay, and subject social. See, beta. Yesterday we have discussed about the Donkuru, a village in Deccan Plateaus. About the Deccan Plateaus, we are knowing, and moreover about the Deccan Plateau, how the Deccan Plateau is there, how the water is falling, we can know. And about the soil also we are talking. In the soil, what we discussed about the black soil, red soil, then the black soil, which crops it will grow, and it will be how it will be useful. We can talking. Now we are discussing about the agriculture and crops. Agriculture and crops. Agriculture and crops. Okay. We knowing about the agriculture and crops. What are you thinking about the agriculture crops means? In the Donkuru village, there are the different types of crops will be growing. Different types of crops will be growing. There are so many sajjalu, jonnalu, wheat, paddy, ragi, like different types of crops they are growing in agriculture. In agriculture crops means different means they are jowars. Jowar means జొన్నలు, okay, కందులు, okay, and paddy, mustard seeds, okay. There are the paddy, maize, like different types of crops they are growing. In that crops they are growing, no water, how that water they are using by the bore wells, they getting the canals for water, they are using these types of water they are using. And in moreover in agriculture crops, so many peoples in the only I am saying in the Dankuru village only I am saying, in the Dankuru village there are so many peoples are there. In that so many people, some peoples are doing daily labor work, like who are having the own land, own land only they are doing the works, means about crops, other thing works they are doing. In that in agriculture and crops, which farmers they are doing the work, no, daily morning to evening they are doing the works on the land only. They are growing the jowars, kandul, paddy, different types of they are growing, and they are selling into the market. And moreover some peoples means some farmer peoples they are carrying the pigs cattle, like okay, in the farmers on the land, pigs, white color pigs there will be, they are living on the in the agriculture. That time the peoples means the farmers who are there, they staying in the night time only, they are sending into outside. Like that different types of crops, different types of seeds they are really growing in Donkuru village. And water, how they are water they are using means they are getting from the canals, or moreover canals are bore wells, tube wells, like electricity they are using that water, and they are growing the crops in the agriculture and crops. Now we are discussing about the fruits. In fruits, in which village ma? In the Dankuru village we knowing about the fruits, orchard and fruits. Orchard and fruits. Fruits means which types of fruits? We are daily we are eating the different types of fruits we are eating. But we are knowing about, we are now entering in the Dankuru village, no. in the Dankur village which types of fruits they are growing. Suppose they are growing the mangoes, orange, okay, they are different types of fruits they are growing. They are, why they growing means there are be totally so many 1 acres 2 acres, like it will be having that only season wise. In the summer season we are more are seeing in the summer season mangoes. Every time in every year in summer season we will get the mangoes, okay. And orange in the any season it will become, but is a in the Dankur village is the most is the mangoes and orange is the getting in that village. And moreover we can see in the Dankur village fruits different types of they will be grown, and this is a separate land will be having. In that land only they will grow the mangoes and orange and fruits. They are different types of they will be grown. And now we can know about the land owners of ships. And in this also land ownership ship means in the same in the last previous lesson also in land ownerships how many members are having the land, same in this also in the Dankur village also we knowing about the land ownership means in this also peoples how many members they are getting the own land. Remaining peoples what they are doing means some peoples they are having the own land means they are doing the own crops, like they will grow the own self crops. And other things the peoples they are some member peoples they are doing the fruit sellings, okay, they are having the fruits means they are selling the fruits. Other one members they are doing the other things means this one the agriculture feed 6 months 3 months like that it will be having 1 year. After that fruits are getting, fruits are 3 months. Remaining time whatever do the peoples in the Dankur village means remaining people what they will do means they will do the other things. Other things means labor like works, daily labor work, daily labors work, or they will going into town Hyderabad, cities like Goa, Maharashtra, in any country they will go and they will do the other works. Means 6 months they will do no work. Some people in that village only who are the peoples are leaving no, they will do the different types of works. Means suppose peoples are doing the so many peoples in the Dankur village so many peoples will be leaving. In that peoples they are doing the different types of works no. In that different types of work means some 3 to or 4 family members will be having families, 3 or 4 family members or 5 family members will be having. In that family members what they will do, suppose carpenters what we will do, they are making the doors and windows. And agriculture field moreover they will useful for the harvesting means nowadays they are using tractors like they are using. Before only with cows only and they will use the plucking no, with buffaloes and with the cows only they are doing the yielding seeds, that only for using for crops agriculture. Moreover not only stealing not but different crops they are using no for agriculture field. Wooden with wooden like see madam drawing here like is like this different types of instructions they are tools, different types of tools they are using for agriculture, okay. These are preparing with carpenters. These 5-6 family members we believe they only what will do in the village they are useful for the agriculture things, so doors, windows, and many other things they are using the carpenters. And moreover goldsmith goldsmith what will do, the goldsmith means anybody having the goldsmith in their village only they will get one shop and they will do small things only they will do. And so many members will do kirana shops, weldings, weldings and medical, and so many members RMP doctors, like small types of they will be there. Means kirana shop also they will get daily labor like workers only. They will 500 1000 rupees 1500 they will get the money. And yielding means they are doing the agriculture for using the tractor, like that any vehicles, they are repairing that. And medical you know all of you, who are not having the health care good means medical. And RMP doctor, these many peoples are using for the daily work and they will be reading. And next, animals hearing. Hearing means what beta? Animals hearing means moreover we can see the animals hearing peoples means in moreover we can see in Dankuru village so many peoples will be living in the Dankuru village. So many goats, sheep, goats and sheep, they are hearing. Okay, goats and sheep are they are hearing and doing the more, and they are getting also milk. And buffaloes also they are buffaloes. In the buffaloes cows they are getting the milk means they are sending into the in this village or cities for daily they are getting for 1 liter 30 to 40 rupees. 30 to 40 rupees also they are getting the for daily the income. And next, goats and sheep. Goats and sheep for every year month wise they'll get more income. Okay, they'll get more income. Okay, they'll get the more income of the animals hearing. And in Dankuru village there is the hills. Okay, there will be hills and high bushes. Trees is will be having no on the upside the sheep, goats, that side they are and grazing the grasses. Okay, grazing the grasses on the hills. I'll show for you one book which one is the fruits is there on the sheep was hearing on your book. Here see beta, this is this is Mosambik and chini and orchard with a deep irrigation plant. Almost you know about in summer season somebody farmers they are having the mango trees, orange trees. You will go and see this. This is the types of deep irrigation form. And next, this is the grazing the sheep. Okay, here grazing the sheep. So many peoples they are will doing the grazing the sheep. And moreover, okay, we can see other activities. Other activities means in the so many, suppose we knowing about now the carpenters. Okay, the carpenters what we will do, monthly they will get monthly or daily 200 300 or they will be getted. And moreover we can see the rice mills. Okay, we know rice mill. Some of the non-farmer activities are there in Dankuru village. The two family members also living in that same, and they are preparing doors and windows, sheets, like different they will be growing. They are doing the work carpenters. Okay, doors and windows, in other things for agriculture using that. Okay, things are they are using that carpenters. And the rice mills in any village compulsory there will be rice mill will be having. In that rice mill some peoples are doing in that work also in the rice mills, labor like workers they are doing. And now moreover about the market and transport. Market and transport. Okay, market and transport means when in the Dankuru village they are growing the agriculture things and fruits, animals, like who are doing the daily laboring work. Okay, these all are in the village and they are sending. Some are sending into the towns. Towns means in cities. Okay, different types of their cities sending, and there are moreover they will growing in the cotton. Okay, in this they are having the cotton. Cotton is the main thing. Cotton is the main thing, and some peoples are will be growing in the Dankuru village cotton, and the cotton is sending into the towns. In the more amount of cotton they are sending into market, and they are using the waiting machine. While they are sending into the market no cotton, they are doing the waiting machine. Means while they are waiting that cotton, and they are given to the money. And moreover, and they are having the farmers moreover using the fertilizers, chemicals. Okay, they are using the fertilizers, chemicals and pesticides. Why they are using these three means, why they are using these three means, they'll getting the more, they'll be getting the more early they get the crops. Means they what they will do, they will easily they will do the adding the fertilizers, chemicals, pesticides as they are spraying. Okay, they are spraying. When the spraying means they will grow fastly, when they will be going the fastly. When there's these plants are growing, no, that time any insects will be adding on the leaf, no, that time when they are using the pesticides, insecticides means it will be die, that insects will be die. And next, see, but this is the other activities they are using. See, this is the they are doing the healing, and this is the carpenters, and this is the some members people in the Dankuru village. They are having the bushes trees, no, they are having the long types of bushes trees, no, and plum trees. They'll get and they will do the baskets, and they'll get that, and one day or 2 days, or they'll get directly and take it into the lines, take it into the lines like kind. After that they will make it like a basket, make it like a basket, and they are sending into the towns or cities, and this is the making like a basket. For your homework better, and in your classwork you have to paste it now. Just about carpenter pictures, okay, and like basket preparing pictures. Hmm? And the next, yeah, high yielding, any 5 different types of any pictures you have to paste it in your book. Okay, and this is the village of the Dankuru village. It is the village of Dankuru village, and we can knowing about the village settlement. We knowing about the village settlement. Village settlement. See, but village settlements, there are 570 family members will be having. 570 family members they are living, and 3,400 people they are living. 3,400 peoples. 3,400 peoples they are living. For 2011 census, and there are a 350 families. Okay, 3,350 families who are the castes lined in the village, and remaining 220 families are depend upon most of the wages labors. 220 families they are doing the daily labor work. These remaining total 570 family members will be living. 3,400 people they are there, and 350 family members, what they will do? 50 family members, they are having the own houses, own land, they are doing the own work, and the remaining 220 family members, what they will do means daily labor work, like they will be daily going to any shops, like that they will do the wages work. And the most of them 350 families, there are 4 large family with a 30 acres. Okay, there are 350 family members, again 350 family members, they are having the own acres of land, they are having the own acres of the land. That is a large farm, it is a, and the most family having about the some family members having the only 5 acres of land, remaining having the 3 acres of land they are having in the family members. And in the elderly days, they are having the in elderly means in the village, okay, in the Dankur village, so many peoples having the different types of houses, different types of houses. Different types of houses means we know pakka houses, kacha houses, like different types of houses will be having. In that fruit houses and buildings, like some people, so different types of houses they are having in the Dankuru village. Okay, and remaining lesson tomorrow we are continue. Okay beta, thank you, you have to write the homework.